One student. Today we are going to start our GK quiz number 8. Literature. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word from the box to complete the sentence. You have to select these words and complete the fill in the blanks. They heard the monkeys that dash in the forest chattered. He has an dash in the blank account. The dash in today's newspaper has criticized the new education policy editorial. He dash on paying for his mail insisted. Next, the matter has been dashed so that that all can understand it. Simplified. Mathematics and science. Take the right choice. Substances through which light passes are known as transparent substances. The darker part of the shadow cast is known as the umbra region. When the same original sound is heard again and again a number of times is called an echo. The angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. The prefix semi is used to show 1 upon 2. The prefix poly is used to denote many. Now next, identify the which country do the following belong to with help of clues. This is country's name. Now so first it is in England, second is Ireland, third one is Scotland, fourth one is Italy, fifth one is Netherlands, and the last one is Lapland. Now see, Lapland. First, general says, how will you know the Indian epics? Associate the characteristic with the words given in the box. The Karna is famous for generosity. Yudhishthira is famous for truth. Bhima is famous for strength, and Kumbhakarna is famous for sleep, and Ravana is famous for 10-headed. Now we'll see the quiz number 9. Match the first literature. Match the author with the fictional characters created by them by placing the alphabet assigned to the authors in the boxes. Suppose Noddy it is a Enid Blyton. Nenki Drew, it is the Caroline Nee. Next one, David Copperfield, it is the Charles Dickens. Then Bobbsey Twins, it is the Laura L. Hope. Next, Tom Sawyer, it is the Mark Twain, and Hardy Boys, it is the F.W. Dixon. The mathematics and science. Fill in the blanks. A quadrilateral in which only one pair of the opposite sides is parallel is called as a trapezium. A parallelogram with all its sides congruent is called a rhombus. Next, two sides of equatorial with a common vertex are called adjacent sides. The method used to separate liquefied petroleum gas from mineral oil is called fractional distillation. The transfer of heat which takes place in the absence of material medium is called radiation. The uniform of 5 men are made up of asbestos to protect them from flames. Fractional distillation can be used to separate two substances only if there is boiling point differ from each other. Now see, in the online map of the world, mark the following desert in their respective continents. In this world map, you have to fill that the desert, Gobi Desert, Thar Desert, Kalahari Desert, Sahara Desert, and Atacama Desert. Now, generals, answer the following questions. Which famous Carnatic musician was awarded the Bharat Ratna in the beginning of the year 1998? M.S. Subbulakshmi. Who were the first expeditioner to climb Mount Everest? Sherpa and Tenzing Edumand. Then, who is the most famous Chennai player in India? Bismillah Khan. What is the short form of Bhabha Atomic Research Center? It's a BRC. In which city is the Amul butter manufactured? It is Anand. Now, quiz number 10. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words from the box for money payments made. Now, select the word from this one. The employee pays a salary to his employees. The government gives a grant to run the school. Children pay the school fees every month. Farmers take loans to buy fertilizers. The Tata Trust Office offers scholarship for students going abroad. When you deposit money in your name with a bank, it is credited in your account. And when you withdraw money from your saving in the bank, money it is debited to your account. Now, mathematics and science, take the right choice. First, if the departure time of the aeroplane says 16.40 hours, it means 4 o'clock and 40 minutes p.m. A train leaving CS terminus at 21st hours reaches Pune after 5 hours. So at the arrival time in Pune will be the 2 a.m. A decimal form in which the question is repeated again and again to the right side of the decimal point is called a recurring decimal. And then Thales, a Greek scientist, was the first to observe the electrostatic effect. The sum total of the kinetic and potential energy possessed by the object is called mechanical energy. The main source of light is the sun. When the disconnect is offered by a shop, the price to be paid is less that on the price tag. Now next, identify the following pictures with the help of clues. First one, it is the Supreme Court of our India. The second one is Jantar Mantar ground. Next one is Rajabai Tower. Next one, Parliament House. Next, identify the zodiac signs with the help of the picture clues. First is Scorpion. Now next one is Virgo. Then Taurus and the Capricorn. Now dear student, you have to write down these cues, 3 cues in your notebook.